Welcome to Oceans of Possibility Summer Reading for the week of July 31st, 2022 for the elementary age group, Part 2. Pete the Cat and the Treasure Map by James Dean. Captain Pete looks across Cat Cove. The sun is sparkling on the water. It's a beautiful day for an adventure. Something flies towards Captain Pete's ship. It's a parrot. "Squawk," says the parrot. She gives Captain Pete a crumpled piece of paper. "What is it?" asks First Mate Callie. Captain Pete looks at the paper. There's a long trail that ends with an X. "It's a treasure map," he says. "Treasure," says First Mate Callie. "Where?" "On Secret Island," says Captain Pete. "Let's go," says First Mate Callie. "Woohoo!" cries the crew. "Treasure!" Swoosh! Splash! Captain Pete steers the ship through the big waves. The salty wind pushes the sails. The ship is going really fast. "Good job, mateys," says Captain Pete. "We'll be there in no time." Uh-oh. Captain Pete spoke too soon. He spies something coming toward them. "What is that?" asks First Mate Callie. A giant arm reaches up and splashes the water. It makes a wave that crashes down on Pete's boat. "Ker-splash! Squawk!" cries the parrot. "Arg!" yells the crew. "Ker-splash!" Another arm comes crashing down. The crew is scared, but not Captain Pete. He knows that monster isn't trying to scare them. He's rocking a cool beat. Captain Pete takes out his guitar and strums. The monster rises out of the water. The crew takes cover, but the monster stops when he hears Pete playing. He nods his head along. He's not a scary sea monster. He's an awesome sea drummer. "Rock on," says Captain Pete. "Thanks," booms the monster. "Oh no, Captain," shouts First Mate Callie. "A big storm is coming." "Batten down the hatches," says Captain Pete. Everyone gets ready for the storm. The waves toss the ship, but the crew is brave. Captain Pete has an idea. "Hey there, friend," he yells to the sea monster. "We need some help." The monster grabs the ship with his giant arms and gives it a great big boost. The ship moves right through the storm. "Hooray!" shouts the crew as the monster swims up to the boat. "Thanks, friend," yells Captain Pete. "No problem," booms the monster. "Land ho!" yells First Mate Callie, pointing out over the sea. All the pirates rush to look. "It's Secret Island," says Captain Pete. On the beach, their buddy Grumpy Toad is waiting with a glittering pile of treasure. "Ahoy, mateys, you got my map," Grumpy Toad says. "Treasure is no fun if you can't share it with your friends." The crew is so happy they do catwheels in the sand. "Thanks, Grumpy Toad," they shout. "I think we're missing something," says Captain Pete. "Let's play some music." "What a great idea," says Grumpy Toad. The pirates load all the treasure onto the ship. Captain Pete takes out his guitar and strums, but something is missing from his song. "Our drummer," Captain Pete says as the sea monster pops his head above the waves. "Would you like to join my crew?" "Oi!" booms the monster. "Rock on," Captain Pete says as the monster joins in on a rockin' pirate tune. Captain Pete's crew is complete. All the pirates sing, yo ho, a pirate's life for us." The end. We're going to make a treasure chest. So your Craft-To-Go kit has a cardboard treasure chest. I haven't opened it. And then you'll also have some plastic coins, different kinds, and some jewels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint mine. So I need a paint and a paintbrush. You can do yours however you want. You can use markers or crayons on this because it is cardboard. Just try not to press too hard or else it might break. Again, it is just cardboard. And then I'm gonna go ahead and glue some of these on. And some of them I might put inside. We'll see how it looks at the end. So the first thing I need to do is make my treasure chest colorful. I'm gonna make mine black. And like I said, I'm just gonna paint mine. You do yours however you'd like to. Because since it is cardboard, it's easy to do it lots of different ways. Just be careful if you paint it. You're gonna have to let it dry kind of open, or else it can paint itself shut. So I'm using black. You can use brown for a chest, wood. You could use pink, purple, blue, green, whatever color you want your chest to be. Maybe your pirate likes a more colorful booty. I guess they call it bounty booty, pirate's booty. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint this and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so mine's all painted, and I'm leaving it slightly open to dry. But I'm gonna go ahead and glue on some of the jewels and things because I think you have glue here. I think some of the stuff will stick better with the paint wet. So I want to put the sunshine on. It says you really shine. I'm gonna put that right in front. Oh no, I just got it all over my shirt. Okay. And I'm just gonna glue a few jewels here and there. Just kind of random. Certainly am making a mess of things, aren't I? But yeah, I'm gonna glue a little bit of money on it. And I'll go ahead and do that and let you know what it looks like when it's done. Well, that's it. That's how my chest turned out. I like it. It's pretty minimalist, but it's good. It opens up. And I can put my coins in it and my extra jewels. Or you can use it for a box for your own things. If you have jewelry or special treasures of your own, maybe some special rocks, I don't know. Some coins would work. Whatever you want to do with it, it's your treasure chest. Get these last two in there, and that's it.